Yeah. Guys, we are at a spot with Mike. Mike is over there, so already going to fish. Doesn't wait for me. I'm going to begin with this lure, about 3 kind of lure, small lure. This one and also this one. So I'm going to begin with the smallest one.
What you gonna use?
I'm going to use the smallest one.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Alright.
So I'm using the same thing as he is, in a different color.
Oh, yeah.
And 4-pound test mono.
Yeah.
That little Barbie rod.
Barbie rod.
I'm winning. I'm winning.
Already got the fish. This is small. Horse head jack.
1-0.
1-0. Alright. So light tackle challenge.
You got light tackle, I got ultra light tackle.
Alright. Fish? Ah, you're lucky, man. Same fish, same fish.
What do you mean same fish? I released that one down here. Oh no, he's stuck in the hole. Oh, I can see fish and the lure over there. Oh. I lose that lure. I'm going in the water.
You're crazy, man.
Oh yeah, I lose that lure. Here we go again. Flashback. Yeah, don't break me off now.
Oh, he's fighting. Look at him.
He's trying to get off of the river. By the time I get there, he's going to be going. You watch.
The one reason you go in the water because these lure are freaking expensive.
Yes! Otherwise, I'm going in there. Is he still on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still there. Who knows? I'm going to end up getting it. Oh my god, it's freezing. I thought we were in the Caribbean, not in the Antarctic. Please no eels. A good news, a bad news.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Biggest fish of the day.
Now let's be clear, all this trouble is now for this little whatever it is, I forgot.
Mahogany snapper.
Mahogany, thank you. It's for the lure.
Lure is freaking expensive. It's more than $10 lure.
And you still get your freedom.
You got one?
No, I got you. Or I got a fish. Oh, I got
I got a fish. You got a fish?
I got a fish.
Wait! Look! Freaking big!
You got him.
You have a big needlefish, man.
No, but I didn't hook the needlefish. I hooked the fish and the needlefish hit him.
That's a freaking huge one.
No, but the needlefish is trying to eat him. Oh, I think I lost him. No, he's still on there.
Still on.
Look at that.
It's a thick one.
This is gonna take forever. Oh, there it goes again. Well, about half an hour carrying it out from this point on, so two back in half an hour. And I'm doing that one.
Big fish.
Oh, it's a trumpet.
Oh, nice.
It's a trumpet.
And you hook it in the back.
No, he hit it. It's in the mouth.
Oh, it's a huge one.
Yeah, I guess we gotta retie after this.
Oh yeah.
Don't guard off. Don't guard off. Stay right here.
Damn. Look guys, a freaking small lure for a big fish.
It works.
Worked.
Look at the spots on it.
Beautiful fish, man.
Beautiful.
Nice. Beautiful fish. Yeah, catch and release.
It's gonna take a while for this.
Oh,
there
don't
you go.
think so.
That was quick.
Nice release, man.
Thank you very much. Dude, you're getting the best surface hits out
Yeah.
there.
Then had the camera on.
Oh, that's a jack.
Yeah, I think it's a fell hook.
Foul hook?
Yeah.
Oh, the way he hit it.
Yep. Yeah, it's fell hook.
Horse size.
It's bigger than yours.
But mine was hooked in the mouth.
They crunch.
Need the pliers or are you good?
No, I'm good. It's a baby horse jack. Beautiful fish. It's grinding. Release this guy.
Yeah, I'm done with the pliers.
It's for two.
Yeah. Damn, I gotta retie. You're catching up.
Yep.
Darn it, I gotta hurry up.
Yep, fish. Hit it. Yeah, got it.
No! That's three! No!
Another horse jack, I think. Yeah, no, it's blue runner.
Of the right?
Yep. I think so. Not sure. Yep, it's a bigger one. This is a good bait actually. For not, we don't keep any fish today. Not today. Fight. Thanks for the fight. It's 4-3. Yeah, but, woo-hoo-hoo, that's a freaking amazing, bro.
That was the world's best surface hit. Dude, he hit it like a 50,000.
It's a blue,
It's a giant blue runner.
blue runner. Damn, right?
That must be horrible, wasn't it?
Yeah, more than one over there. Nice fish. Yes, nice, beautiful fish with a black spot behind. Beautiful red tail. And catch and release. Those fish are delicious when they are bigger.
That's 5. 5-3.
5-3.
I'm back. Oh,
On.
it came off. What the hell? How am I losing so many fish? Oh yeah.
You got one?
Oh my god, that's
This is a big one. It's a bigger one.
That might be a huge. Oh, he's in the hole. Oh, he came out.
Come on, Mike. Oh, there's a grouper. Bring up, man. Damn, boy.
Got him!
I will give you 2 points with this fish.
Oh, okay, cool. Yay,
Yeah,
thank
for
you.
sure, man. Look at this fish, man.
Well, To be honest, it's some type of grouper. I have no idea what species. So if you know, let us know in the comments below. But man, he is pretty. I was here last week and I lost probably his dad because that one was a lot bigger than one I lost. But I could eat him, but I have no idea what species it is, so I have no idea what size it grows to. So I'm not gonna eat something that could potentially grow to 100 pounds. So this guy is
Going back. Nice release. Yeah! Good thing, good mic.
That's worn out.
Yeah, just in case. Karingito akong...
Want to make mo ultralight?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Pero bumasa. Or something. So, patas na wala lang. Oh yeah. Oh, see action, see action. Nalamagran.
Yeah, but wait. Hindi ka nila break me off then. He hits this. I don't really want him to hit this. I don't want him to break me off. But then the survival mode, you wanna all.
Oh yeah. Let's go fishing. Wait, di ba kaya lang?
Yeah, I'm kidding. Muy bueno. Todo basta healthy. Yo sabe, ¿verdad? No mure.
Murray?
Ya mira. Ya. Ahora por favor, que solo salga que va a tener. Vamos a pedir por algo popper.
Popper of isang tima grande.
That's because guy will boy bike yung hindi magrami. I know. Good idea.
Wait! Hey, no, voy a Rainbow ko, rainbow. Yeah. Yeah, fish on.
Hey, wag mo otro.
Fish on.
What in the world do you have?
I have no idea, man. It's a fish.
What in the hell do you have?
Bro, bait? What is this, bro? If you know what kind of species it is, guys, comment below because we have no idea what it is.
That thing is, the spine really hurt. I have no idea what the name is, but I know they hurt. Hey, we're keeping that thing, man.
Yeah, I'm keeping it.
Yeah, we're keeping it.
Alright, guys, look, this is a new species for us. We have no idea how to call it, of the name of the fish. Mike's gonna keep it, he's gonna taste it, and see if it tastes good. Yeah, we're filming.
Look, there's like 20 of them.
Oh, it's a
Look
lot.
at that! Get you in the water!
Hey! Hey! Woo! It's fish out everywhere, Rose.
Get you in the water! What are you waiting for?
Hit!
Oh!
Fish everywhere, guys. Fish freaking everywhere.
Oh! They're following my lure! Come on, look at him! They missed it! Hang on! Oh, pata! Oh, na, bye, guys!
So we changed the lure, go a little bit more bigger, and this one is going a little more deeper. So
What happened to ultralight today?
yeah, I know. If you can see this,
I'm changing my lure too.
yeah, but the thing is, it's too windy for throwing that freaking small lure. Yeah, my excuse.
Dude, look, wag at sige. I don't understand this thing. Boom.
I have no idea what the fish, kind of fish that. Oh yeah, fish! I got fish.
Oh, you got a little jack.
Yeah, small jack.
Oh, let me go on the ultralight then.
Yes, pull and drag. Look at this guy.
Dude, keep that thing. We'll use it for bait.
You won't keep it?
Yeah, I'll use it for bait.
All right.
Oh, I got my own. Oh, I got what you have. I have what you have.
What the?
Yeah, the weird thing.
The weird thing?
Yeah, I got that.
Blend the sucker.
Look at it, look at it.
Look, the rod is bending like crazy, man.
Oh yeah. Can I lift it? Can I lift it?
Nope.
Think so?
Yeah, lift it. Yeah, lift it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I think this is one of the best day ever, actually.
Ow, well, that hurts.
Yeah.
Just figure that out. That hurts.
So many fish on small lures.
So,
Oh, this got a bite, bro.
so forget those giant lures. This is what you gotta use.
Small lure catch big fish.
Well, big fish.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Yeah, big fish for small
Small
back.
lures,
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, 4-pound test. Still rocking the 4-pound test.
All right, guys. I think this is going to be the end. We went 3 spots. We got a lot of fish today on small lure. The smallest lure for the day caught the biggest fish. A trumpet fish. We have no idea how they call it in English. But also we caught a weird fish. We have no idea how to call it. If you know the name of the fish, let us know in the comment. And yeah, what a day! 3-hour fishing, freaking warm.
Now think about it, you know, if you cast big lures back in the dangerous spots for 3 hours, sometimes you probably get absolutely nothing. Or you might get one nice jack. But here, how many fish did we catch?
More than 10 fish. We had 10 fish. I caught 8 fish. So in total, like 18 fish, and we saw a lot of fish for all the lures. So sometimes small lure can be bad than big lures, and not always big fish will love eat big lures. Depends. So
Elephants eat peanuts.
that's a good example. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys very soon. So thanks for watching. As always, guys, expect unexpected, fish on.